Hello everyone. This class I'm going to teach a lesson The Conqueror of Disease by Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur was born to a tenor who had worked in Napoleon's army and had been honored by him. Louis was born in France. He studied chemistry and became a chemistry professor. His wife was also his assistant during experiments. Louis devoted his whole life to the study of bacteria which are presented everywhere. Air, water, soil, bodies of animals and plants. Some of them are harmful and some of them very useful. Louis' discoveries helped common people of his country carried on their professions of breeding silk, worms and keeping cows. When Pasteur was appointed as the head of the College of Science in Lille, a busy manufacturing town, he was happy because now he could help people with problems in their professions. At that time, people didn't have a clear understanding of yeast and germs. Louis Pasteur carried out many experiments to prove that germs were carried in the air and could not infect other things that came into contact with them. His experiments with a bend in his long tub of soap bottle and many bottles of soap open in different places to prove that air is full of dust and particles of germs are carried by this dust. Pasteur made his process of Pasteurication popular by showing that by heating wine or milk to a temperature of 50 or 60 degrees centigrade, the germ in them was made harmless. Louis Pasteur founded the branch of science called bacteriology and studied for 3 years the cause of a disease ruining the silkworm industry. When Pasteur realized that a cow could not have anywhere toys, he thought of injecting very weak old germs to cows or sheep to make them immune from anthrax. He demonstrated that this could be done so by experimental in public with 2 groups of sheep and goats and cows. The one which were infected with the weak germs survived, whereas other group which had not been infected died. He was honored by the French government and his memory is still honored at the Institut Louis Pasteur in France, in Paris. Pasteur felt that the future belonged to those who shall have done the most for suffering humanity. He told youngsters that they would feel supreme happiness only when they contributed to the progress and welfare of humanity. This is a very compressed explanation of the lesson Conqueror of Disease by Louis Pasteur.